Welcome to the Hostinger Coupon Code channel. Today, I am sharing the latest Hostinger n8n coupon code for February 2026. This coupon code will help you get an extra 20% discount on all Hostinger hosting plans and services. If you use my special coupon code link, you will get an extra 20% discount and also one free domain. But if you use a normal coupon code, you will only get a 10% discount. So my code gives you double the savings. I have put all the discount links in the description and comment box. They are arranged in order, and you can pick the one that works best for your country. Each link is set up for your local currency and language, so it is easy to use. When you click the link, it will take you directly to the Hostinger official website. Go to the Services button on the top menu. You will see all Hostinger plans and services there. My 20% discount works on all of them. Today, I am picking the self-hosted n8n option. Hostinger has 4 n8n plans: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I am going with the KVM2 plan today. When you go to checkout, your 20% discount and free .com domain will be added automatically. No need to type anything. One last tip, always use a new email address when signing up. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Happy n8n automation!